Fund managers suddenly getting cold feet on gold. They cut their net long positions 27% last week. A huge revision to the bearish side. Here to talk about gold and what's in the vault is the CEO of Euro Pacific Capital, Peter Schiff. So, Peter, you're having some questions, not so much bull market, bear market, rally or not, on really what's behind all this paper currency that's trading gold.
Well, you have a lot of speculators who crowded into the gold trade after gold had made a spectacular rise. And, you know, I obviously had too much company back then. I welcome the fact that a lot of the fair weather gold bulls have abandoned their positions. But you had a lot of the speculators liquidating their positions. You had even more speculators, putting on new short positions. And that drove the physical market down. But, you know, the entire time, the demand, the real demand, not the speculative demand, but real demand for physical gold has been increasing the entire time. And so the problem is the physical gold is disappearing. And ultimately, the short sellers have to be able to deliver the commodity they're selling short. And they're not going to be able to do that. And I also think that a lot of the speculators who liquidated their positions on the way down, when they realized they made a mistake and they try to get that gold back, the physical gold's not going to be there. You know, they're not going to be able to buy it back. I don't think that gold is for sale at any price because I think it's in strong hands. And I think it's going to be a spectacular rise, when these forces try to work themselves back out.
But you surely aren't, as an investment advisor, aren't criticizing someone from liquidating a position that's fully into a bear market that's fallen 35% over 2 years. That's just money management.
Well, you know, I think if you look historically, the smart move has been to buy bear markets, not to sell them. Yeah, if they liquidated before the decline, clearly I can't criticize that unless they buy it back. If they sit out and let gold make a new high above where they originally sold, well, then I can criticize it. But clearly, if you sold near the lows because we already had a bear market and you were looking in the rearview mirror, that's not the smart thing to do. It's much smarter to buy the bear markets than to sell them. I mean, look at any market. But, and again, you have to look at the longer term trend. Has gold been in a bear market for a decade? No, it's been in a bull market for more than a decade. During that 12-year run, and the price of gold 13-year run, there have been, I think, 2 or 3 bear markets. If you want to define the bear market as a decline of 20% or more, every one of those bear markets has been a buying opportunity because every time we've had a rally to new highs. So right now, we don't know. We don't know if this is an ongoing bull market or really the change into a secular bear. I don't see any of the fundamentals being in place that would support that. I think everything supports the fact that this is yet another buying opportunity in a string of buying opportunities. And in fact, I think this might be the best buying opportunity yet.
Passion and conviction from Peter Schiff at Euro Pacific Capital. Thank you very much.